Ginkanta ko na ang bahanon, ibatihan nyo ang bahanon na nungod sa gugma. Pahihog, kuluyag nyo magpadayo ng milagro sa Bacolod. Please love Bacolod! We will not love the money that they will offer. We will not love their corruption. We will not love their kin. We will love Team LC. Say it with me. I love Team LC. I love Team LC. I love Team LC. You know why? Because this team loves Bacolod, and I urge you, continue the miracle. Let there be people that will genuinely love Bacolod. Say it with me. I love Bacolod. I love Bacolod. I love Bacolod. And one evidence, and this will be an eloquent evidence of your love for Bacolod.